You mean over here?
Huh?
This area over here? Huh? I try to help you out while recording at the same time. You got it? Ooh, it's pretty low. Huh?
That's what makes it hidden.
True. We're going in. Oh, there is a little pathway. Ay. When they showed us a picture of the guy with a boa constrictor,
Yeah.
I wonder if that was in this area. Surely it has. It probably was this area, right?
I'm not sure. Could be.
That was a pretty big constrictor, right?
Yep.
I believe there are fish that are coming out of the water to take in some air, but we really can't see them. But they're popping up everywhere, so we don't really know what they are. Not as much mosquitoes as I thought it was gonna be. I do hear some kind of a monkey in the background, in the distance, right, Derek?
A what?
A monkey? Yeah, maybe. See, there it goes again. It's in this direction. And we're going back out. After this, we're gonna pack up and go to Iquitos, the city. We stayed at the bungalows last night at a place called San Pedro? San Pedro's. We went to a festivity last night. There was some kind of a celebration of St. Pedro. The event was held in a school because it was raining really hard last night. But we had they gave us a couple beers or some music. When we got there, they were playing bingo. It's pretty cool. After they finished playing, whoa.
The red you can.
Huh?
The red
But yeah, that's where we stayed at. Anyways, but yeah, they had the festival at a school. There was some dancing going around. We danced a little. I think everybody was more entertained at us, watching us dance. But it was fun. Pretty cool place. Well, we only stayed here one night, last night, and in an hour, we're gonna take a boat back to Iquitos.